Now let's switch over and talk about mixtures. Mixtures are materials made up of two or more different substances which are physically combined. An example of a mixture would be air. Air is composed of many different gases such as nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and even water vapor. These gases are separate though, and not chemically combined. Mixtures can be further classified as homogeneous or heterogeneous. Homogeneous mixtures are mixtures that have uniform composition and are the same throughout. That is where the Greek root homo, which means same, comes from. Homogeneous mixtures are also called solutions. Also, recall that solutions are still mixtures, so they are not chemically combined and can be separated using physical methods. Some physical separation methods for mixtures include filtration, distillation, or centrifugation. Filtration separates mixtures based on the size of particles. Distillation applies heat such that the mixture is separated based on boiling point. Low boiling point chemicals will evaporate and boil sooner than the high boiling point chemicals, which will remain behind at the bottom. Finally, centrifugation separates mixtures based on density. When the mixture is spun quickly, the centrifugal force applied causes the densest substance to settle at the bottom and the least dense substances to stay on top, where they can then be separated. Heterogeneous mixtures do not have uniform composition, so they are not the same throughout. Let's take granite for example. Granite is usually made up of different stones, but they are not perfectly uniform throughout. Taking one slab of granite is almost guaranteed to look different from another slab. Where would sand water and Gatorade go? That's right, sand water would be a heterogeneous mixture since it's composed of many different substances and not chemically combined and not uniform throughout. Gatorade would be a homogeneous mixture since it's composed of many substances, but it looks very uniform throughout. Now, one thing that comes up in chemistry is the difference between colloids, suspensions, and solutions. First, it's important to know that a solution is the same as a homogeneous mixture. However, colloids and suspensions are two types of heterogeneous mixtures. A suspension is a heterogeneous mixture in which some of the particles settle out of the mixture upon standing. Colloids are heterogeneous mixtures in which the particles do not separate. Lastly, solutions are homogeneous mixtures in which the particles do not separate.